Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a simple video that we're going to create a egg roll in a bowl. Here are the directions. First, let's saute our shrimp in sesame oil with garlic and ginger. Add your carrots and your cabbage. Add your seasoning and your soy sauce. And add sriracha or green onions, optional. And there you have it, a simple, quick ramen noodle meal, which is called a egg roll in a bowl. Healthy eating. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment for another great video.